red symbols down the elevators or escalators to the blue bag claim area. For bag claim and ground transportation serving Air Transat, British Airways, Edelweiss Air, Lufthansa, Southwest, Swift Air, and WestJet, follow red symbols down the elevators or escalators to the red bag claim area.
나한테 몰랐어? 물안 뜨겁나? 내가 안 보여. 발길이
That's a different show. That's later tonight. Leave your kids at home, bring your 20s. Oh, I know my word, ginger snap. Check it out. I promise you all a dangerous show tonight. We got a full circle. I'm gonna do my most dangerous stunt before my grand finale. And I'm gonna attempt to eat fire.
What?
I'm going to attempt to eat fire! YouTube is killing my career. Alright. When the fire goes out, make some noise and my grand finale is next. I love it when people walk by my show like this is normal. They're either locals or watch way too much Netflix and chill. Alright, here we go. Fire eating on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Ow. Yo, that is hot. Why would anyone do this? Sir in the blue plaid shirt holding on that woman like for dear life. Why would anyone do this? You have no idea. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be 100% honest. For money. You know, like I said, I work for tips. I'm trying to get $5 from everyone out here. Not so funny anymore, is it? I'm gonna add a little bit more fuel to these. I do work for tips. I don't want to surprise anyone at the end of the show. I think that would be rude. Enjoy the show now. Don't worry about the tips. That's at the end. Right now, fire eating, no more joking around. On 3, 1. Oh, it's a little windy. It's like a jet engine. Look, Top Gun 2. 1, 2, 3. Y'all want more danger? Say yeah. I'm gonna eat 2 torches at the same time. Yes. Double the fire. Double the danger. Double the round of applause when they go out. Because when they go out, I'm gonna do my finale. Not on the ground, but up in the air on top of this. This is a literal bone-crushing 7-foot unicycle. And I'm gonna try to ride this monstrosity and juggle for you all this evening. I do need someone to hold it. It can literally be anyone with a family and everything to lose. You, sir, can I borrow you to hold this for 1 moment? All right. On 3. 1. I'll do the count. It's my show. On 3, count with me. Make me feel like a rock star tonight. Everybody go.
1.
Everybody go.
2.
Everybody go.
3. 부시가든?
어디?
부시가든.
아 여기 보트도 있네.
아 우리 여기까지 안 나왔냐? 왜 아까? 너무 멀었나?
아니 우리 여기로 꺾은 거 아니지?
아니야.
순간 여기로 꺾은 줄 알고.